Huzur, nowadays the subject of jihad is it's very much
being discussed.
Yeah, being discussed, and it's a burning subject everywhere. So today we have got some questions on this subject. We want to pose one by one to Huzur.
Yes.
The first one is, Huzur, do you think jihad is one of the fundamentals of Islam?
It is. But qital is not fundamental. Jihad is fundamental, and about jihad, the Holy Allah Ta'ala in the Holy Quran declares, وَجَاهِدْ بِهِمْ جِهَادًا كَبِيرًا وَجَاهِدْ بِهِ جِهَادًا كَبِيرًا. That with the help of the Holy Quran, have jihad with them, which is the real big jihad. So once Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was returning from qital, which is jihad with sword, and then he told his companions that from jihad-e-saghir we are returning to jihad-e-akbar. From a small jihad we are returning to that jihad which is with the help of the Holy Quran. And that jihad includes one's jihad with one's own self, with one's own ego. And that is also the meaning of jihad-e-akbar, to fight with your own ego, conquer it, and then you will be able to spread the message to the others. Your Qudus has not come. The class? Yes, I think on Thursday I'll have a question answer with the class boys. So he can ask his questions there. Tom?